Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use portfolios for high-level project management in Zoho Project. First, let's head over to the Portfolios tab on your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Portfolios provide a bird's-eye view of your projects, giving you the power to manage multiple projects at once. This is crucial because it allows for greater organization, helping you stay on top of all your projects. Now that we're in the Portfolios tab, let's create a new portfolio. Click the New Portfolio button, and you'll see a form pop up. Here you'll need to fill out the name, owner, and some other details about your portfolio. Remember, this serves as the hub for your projects, so name it something that encapsulates your overall goal. Once you've created your portfolio, it's time to add projects. Click on the Add Projects button and select the projects you wish to include. The reason we do this is to consolidate all related projects under one roof, so to speak. This helps us because it makes tracking progress and managing resources much easier. Next up, let's talk about portfolio views. You can switch between Gantt view, Kanban view, or list view according to your preference. Gantt view is great for visualizing your project timeline, Kanban helps with workflow management, and list view is perfect for a simplified overview. Each view serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best suits your management style. Once you've set your preferred view, you can start scheduling and allocating tasks. Click on a project within your portfolio, and you'll be able to see all the tasks associated with it. From there, you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and monitor progress. This step is important because it helps ensure that all tasks are accounted for and that your team knows exactly what they need to do and when. Finally, don't forget to make use of the dashboard and reports features in your portfolio. These tools provide useful insights into your project performance, helping you make informed decisions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The software is analyzing your project's data and presenting it in an easy-to-understand format, saving you the hassle of manual analysis. And that's it. You now know how to use portfolios for high-level project management in Zoho Project. Remember, the key to successful project management is staying organized and keeping a close eye on progress. By using portfolios, you can do just that. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.